In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cart icon on your Shopify store. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, from finding a new icon to updating your theme code and finally checking that everything looks right on your live store. Even if you're not comfortable with code, don't worry. We're only replacing one simple line, and I'll explain exactly what to do. First, we need to grab your new cart icon. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type free SVG vector icon and hit enter. From the search results, look for a site called SVG repo and click on it. Once you're on SVG repo, find the search box at the top of the page, type cart and press enter. You'll now see a whole collection of different cart icons. Take a moment to browse and choose one that matches the style of your store. When you find one you like, click on it to open a larger view. On the bottom left of that view, you'll see an option called Edit Vector. Click that. A pop-up window will appear where you can customize the icon, but for now, focus on the bottom left of the pop-up and look for the Copy SVG button. Click Copy SVG to copy the SVG code to your clipboard. Next, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and log in. On the left-hand sidebar, find Online Store and click it. This will take you to your theme library, where you'll see your current theme at the top. On the right side of your current theme, click the three horizontal dots next to Edit Theme. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Edit Code. This will open the theme code editor. In the code editor, look at the left-hand panel and find the Assets folder. Click the small arrow next to Assets to expand it. Scroll down through the list until you find a file named iconcart.svg or iconcartempty.svg. Right-click on iconcart.svg and choose Open With from the drop-down. At the top center of the screen, you'll see a search bar with another drop-down of options. Select Text Editor Default. On the right side, you should now see a single line of code that represents your current cart icon. Highlight that entire line and paste in the SVG code you copied earlier. If your theme also has a file called iconcartempty.svg, repeat the same process for that file as well. When you're done, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. It might take a few moments for Shopify to process and save the changes. Finally, go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side, hover over Online Store and click the eye icon that appears to preview your store. Give it a moment to load. Once your store preview opens, look at the top right corner where your cart icon is displayed, and you should see your new cart icon live on your store